Today I'm demonstrating Packet's heavy-duty all-purpose cleaner. This is a Green Seal certified heavy-duty degreaser suitable for difficult cleaning on all non-porous hard surfaces such as walls, floors and countertops. It is particularly impressive as a grease cutter on stainless steel sinks, fridges, freezers, stoves, ovens, grills and other commercial equipment and appliances. Sometimes I think I should have called this a stainless steel cleaner. While it is a highly effective degreaser, it is also safe and does not require any personal protective equipment such as goggles, gloves and long sleeves. For your safety and convenience, we have colour-coded the purple packet with a purple trigger and the purple silkscreen label. All labels are also in English and Spanish, which assists with product identification and increases user safety and OSHA compliance. Simply take the purple packet and drop it into its matching purple quart trigger spray bottle. There's no need to cut, tear or open the packet. Fill the bottle up to the base of the neck with either cold or warm water, and in less than 2 minutes, the packaging will have completely dissolved. Just give it a gentle shake and you're ready for cleaning. So let's see how it works. The first time you use Packet, prime the trigger 3 or 4 times and adjust the nozzle to the desired setting, either mist or stream. Spray as you would any branded heavy-duty degreaser onto the surfaces and wipe away the excess for a spotless clean and a pleasant, subtle ocean fragrance. Packet heavy-duty all-purpose cleaner comes in a variety of sizes. Most commonly sold are the 20-count jars that yield 20 quarts and the 100-count tubs for larger users which yield 100 quarts. The colour-coded PET plastic quart trigger spray bottles are sold separately and they're engineered to be reused over and over again.